Hey there, this is Jim with Target Rental. Sometimes it can be intimidating to use equipment. We understand this. This is why we've created this series of instructional videos for the sole purpose of easing your mind and making you realize that it's not as hard as it looks. If you have any questions at the end of this video, feel free to call us. We're here to help. This is the Bobcat Excavator 430 from Target Rental. I'm going to take the next couple minutes and show you how it's used and the features about it. For one thing, what makes this such a unique piece of machinery is that it's compact, it's small, it's able to fit into your backyard. It has these rubber track tires so that when you want to take it across your grass, your finished lawn, and dig in the corner to put up a gazebo or whatever you're doing, this is the unit for you. The front blade is really useful for leveling out already disturbed ground and making things smooth. It's also used when we go to dig as support. What makes this so unique is that it's called a zero tail swing. So that when you spin around, and you can spin in this machine 360 degrees continuously, when you spin around on the back end, you know you're not going to hit anything because it's within the width of the tracks. So if your tracks can make it in there, so can the Bobcat. Another great feature about this is the thumb. If you have to pick up debris or dead wood, or if you're stacking rocks to make a wall, this is the unit that you want. Now when you're ready to start digging, the first thing you need to do is put on your seat belt, and then you press down this handle. If this handle were up, nothing would work. But once you lock this in place, then it's going to work once we fire the machine up. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn the key. That's all you have to do. You have your throttle here. You can throttle it up. I'm going to keep it low so you can hear me. Now before you dig, you want to make sure that your blade is down and lifts you up a little bit. That stabilizes your canopy and allows you to dig without being jostled around. Your left hand turned sideways will spin it, and literally you just spin it. Your right hand pushes the digger arm out. Your left hand down brings it down. Now the beauty of an excavator is that you can move dirt all the way behind you. Another thing you can do is right down here, you put your foot on here and it can turn your boom arm all the way to the side. So let's say there's a house right here and you have to get right up against it to move dirt. You can do it and you don't hit your house. But it's much easier when it's right in front of you to dig. Now a backhoe, the boom arm is right in front of you and it's tough to see where you're digging. And that's the beauty of this excavator arm. It's offset to the side and it allows you a complete open view of where you're digging. Now I'm going to show you how to pick up a rock. What's nice about this thumb attachment is that all you have to do is press this little auxiliary hydraulic button, and once I press it, the thumb works. What that allows me to do is to come in here and pick up a rock and move it, and then I can set it wherever I want to set it. And when I do that, it makes it so I can build rock walls, I can put timbers in place. It has a lot of great uses for landscaping. The last thing I want to show you is how to work this blade up front here. Okay, so the blade unit with this handle comes up and down. To move the actual excavator, it has two handles. If I press them both forward, I move forward. If I press them both backwards, I move backwards. If I turn them sideways, or sideways, I'll turn. Now, if you ever want to move dirt, you can level out dirt like this. It comes in really handy for when you're backfilling, or if you just want to level up a pad, say like you're getting ready to lay some flagstone. But what it won't do is it won't dig undisturbed soil. Like if this soil has been disturbed over the past couple months, so it can move it relatively well, but it won't do, it doesn't do too well with undisturbed soil. You'll need something bigger like a dozer, or you can use your backhoe bucket, and you can literally just disturb the soil with your backhoe bucket like I'm doing right now. And that's pretty much the basics of the Bobcat 430 excavator, available at Target Rental. That's just one of many different pieces of equipment we have here at Target Rental. We have lots more, and we have lots more instructional videos to show you how to use them. But my main concern is to match up the right piece of equipment for you and your project. So feel free to call us, visit our website, come in. We want to talk to you. We're the Get It Done guys.